Hello everyone and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a festive and flavorful Christmas plum cake. Soft, rich and full of holiday spirit. The fruit and caramel cake is a perfect treat for your Christmas table. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup orange juice, 2 tablespoons golden raisin, 3 tablespoons black raisin, 2 tablespoons red cherry, 2 tablespoons green cherry, 3 tablespoons tutti frutti, 2 tablespoons apricot, 2 tablespoons almond, 2 tablespoons cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons pistachios. Mix and soak for 30 minutes. Fruit cakes were originally made to preserve fruits during the winter. Now let's make the caramel syrup. In a pan, add 2/3 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook until caramelize the sugar. Now add half cup water. Stir well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Caramel should be slightly golden, not too dark. Now cool it down. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Sieve well. Add half teaspoon nutmeg powder. Mix well. Add the caramel syrup. The caramel gives this cake its deep brown color and unique aroma. Don't overmix the batter, it keeps the cake light and soft. Soaking the fruits in orange juice make them juicy and flavorful. Now add the soaked fruits. Fold gently. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and line with baking paper. Pour the batter, spread evenly, and top with more fruits and nuts. Tutti frutti and cherries add that colorful Christmas touch. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes. Now cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool completely before cutting for perfect slices. Nuts add protein and healthy fats. Orange juice adds vitamin C and freshness. Cinnamon and nutmeg help improve digestion. A small slice satisfies your sweet craving guilt-free. And that's our rich and aromatic Christmas plum cake, perfect to enjoy with family this holiday season. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovent Foods. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite Christmas dessert.